This conference will now be recorded.
So just a recap, what we have discussed in our previous classes. Let's log in. Tell me quickly, in our all previous classes.
We discussed about all data types and all.
First, what we have discussed? Tabs we have discussed. Okay. Yes, object we have discussed, and creating an object we have seen.
Data type.
And fields creation we have seen, custom fields only. Okay. And with all data types we have seen. And the tab creation also we have seen. Okay, that's it. So what is the difference between the tab and object? Otherwise, instead of asking this question, I can ask one more question like different one. What is the use of tab? Simple question.
Tab is used to create records.
Create records, and
retrieve the
update
data.
Yes.
Object is used to create fields.
Object is used to create a fields and to store the data. That is called object.
The object is a parent type. Tab is like child. Sorry, field or childs.
Yeah, it's like like that only. Okay, nice. So very good, guys. And now today topic is records, buttons and records. Okay. And standard and custom fields. Object and field deletions. If we have time, right? Once these are all completed, then standard and custom. Okay, so we will see one by one. First, buttons on the records we will see. So let's go and check. Go any record, go to student, go to any record, and what are the buttons available? Edit button is there. What is use of edit button? So to edit the records and to modify the records. Okay, so we can use edit button. Okay, next. And if I click on save, okay, you can click it. But if I click on save and new, what will happen? What will happen? Suppose if I update,
it will open. It will save and it will open new page.
Exactly. So new button. If you click on new button, what will happen? A empty record will be there, and there you can fill all the details, right? So that kind of page you can see. So let's save and new means update this one and create a new record. That is the meaning of. So it's like a new record. Okay, that is called save and new. So now cancel it. Let's go to another one. Edit we have seen, and sharing you don't need, and you need to know about the delete and clone. So let's go to clone. Okay, click on the clone. What is the meaning of cloning? Normally, I'm not talking about the software, I'm just talking about the normal things. What is the meaning of cloning?
Duplication.
Copying duplicate, right? Copying. Exactly what it is there. We are copying in movies, Hollywood movies you can watch, right? Cloning like that. Who is he? Like Resident Evil. She is a cloning of other. Like all people looks like same. Heroine, right? Actress is there. So she looks like same. If she died, another one more clone is there. One more person is there. So she also looks like same only like that. Okay. So here clone means you can copy previous data. So what is this one? You click on the clone button. This is what existing data. Okay, exactly existing data. And if you want to create and this record, you can create it, not a problem. So it will allow duplicates. This will allow duplicates, but which will not allow duplicates? One field will not allow duplicates. What is that field, guys?
Email.
Email address. So let's try to save and see the error. So duplicate value is there, email. Okay, Revati, can you email address? And now
Standard number, auto number data type also will not be duplicate, right, sir?
will not be duplicate. Auto number means it will add a new more record, one more plus like that.
Oh,
Okay. So what is this one? Revati cloning. We can see here. And generally, the purpose of the cloning in real time is so your project is what institute. So business users are there, Oxford Institute. So sales reps are there, and one group came. Group means so 3 members came. 3 members are friends, and 3 members are very near. Okay, address is same. Okay, and out of almost all of their details are same only. Now does she create a new record? Suppose see here they, so receptionist want to create records, okay, for those 3 students. She clicked on new button and she created one record simply. And again, if she want to create an, so her friend data also, again she click on new button, she can create it. Like that for 3 students, she can click on new and she can create it. That means if she click on new button, she needs to fill all the details, right? From so starting to here. In real time, hundreds of fields also might be there. So she needs to fill all hundreds of so field values. So it will take a lot of time. Am I right? Okay. But here, what will happen? 3 friends. So many details are same for these 3 friends. So many details are same, only few details are different. Okay, so in that case, suppose these are Revati friends, and okay, and click on clone button. For one student details they have created, so few of the details are same only. Joined course same, and discount same, educational details same, okay, like that. Address details same, and company website same, referred company same. See, so many field values are same, and only few values are different, like name is changed, and same only. What email is changed, phone number is changed, like this. Only few field values are different. So in that case, so what we can do, the reception can click on the clone button, okay, and they can change it, like wherever changes are needed, so they can change. Receptionist can change those so places. Phone number means now they can change it to only wherever it is required, so there only they are changing. In other places they don't need to change. All are same only, similar, that's it. See here now, so with the help of clone button we can get all the previous data from that record, and wherever changes are needed, do the changes here and just save it. See here, so what is the benefit of this clone button? Now tell me, you have seen the benefit, and tell me
you should create the
with
field which
respect
is
to
having mostly of same values.
with respect to receptionist, what is the benefit this clone button to that receptionist, to that business
It's a
user?
time saving for them.
Time saving, time saving. Okay, and okay, that is the main benefit, guys. Time saving.
Okay.
They can save their time to save their details, student details. That's it. So that is the clone button. So purpose of that one business scenario I told, right? So generally in real time like that they might use. And the technical thing is what? Clone means it can copy all the data from the existing record, and you can create a new record by saving that one. That is the benefit of the clone button. So next, delete button. Click on the delete one. Are you sure? So Ravi details, right? Delete it.
Okay.
You have deleted one record. Okay. Let's see where the record will be gone. I mean, where the record will be gone. Once you delete it, you can see recycle then, right? It will go in. So Ravi record. Okay. This one deleted by who deleted? User. I am the user. I deleted Ravi record. Remember, I am one of the user. General Salesforce. What is the user? Here users are different type of, who are them? Developer. So you are, I'm the developer now here. I am one user. Admin and development, admin also, admin persons also. So users only. Next, business users. Business users are nothing but sales reps, service reps, managers, customer care center people, like that.
Sir, sales representative, sir.
Representative, medical representative,
Oh, yes,
right?
sir. Okay.
Sales representative.
Okay.
In my view, etc. Like that.
Mm-hmm.
Whoever using this application, those are called users only. Okay, those are called users only. And the okay, and who is the customer in this project? Business is what? Institute. This is the business. In this business, so who are the users? Developers and admins,
Users. Yes.
sales reps, and that means receptionists. All these are business users. Now, who is the customer for this institute? Tell me.
People are kinds of
Students.
Sir.
people.
Students are the customer. So that means you are the customer. What is the customer meaning? Getting the, giving the money, so getting whatever they needed. That is called customer meaning, right? Exactly.
Yes, sir.
So student is the customer guys to this institute. Okay.
Okay, institute.
And now, exactly. So company which is working to implement this project. What company I told? Example, Accenture I have given.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Accenture. So now these developers and admins are belongs to Accenture company. And now this business belongs to which company? Tell me. Our institute was Oxford. Oxford World Class Institute.
World Class.
Please. Okay. And now tell me, developers and admin persons, right? Whoever implementing this application, those called. Okay. So muted. Yeah, they have muted. Okay. Now tell me, guys.
Business users.
These are belongs to Accenture.
Accenture.
So that means doing from Accenture and only. Nice. For them also, we need to create users. Okay. A user meaning is what? Generally pay and logging in. So to create a user, so company needs to pay amount to salesforce.com company. How many users are there? So whether a business user or a developer, suppose 1,000 are there. For the 1,000 users, so Oxford Institute can pay the amount to Salesforce company. Okay, on monthly basis or on a yearly basis based on this subscription. Nice. Next, who are the business users? From which company? Whether Accenture or from other company? Tell me which company these business users are.
Other companies are like Act Fiber.
Oxford.
Act Fiber, sir. Yes.
What is this project? This project.
So Oxford Institute
Oxford World
related.
Class.
Exactly.
Management.
Oxford University.
Oxford Institute side. So sales reps are there, right? Receptionists. Okay, they are using your application which is implemented by you. You are the developers and admin persons. You implemented a Salesforce application and hand over to Oxford World Class Institute. And from Oxford, business users will use your application. Okay, that's it. Now users are nothing but what? Business users, and so implement users. Developers are like that. Now clear
సార్
about
ఒక
the
రకంగా
project?
చెప్పుకోవాలంటే సార్ జస్ట్ ఒక డౌట్ సార్. సో ఒక
Yeah,
రకంగా చెప్పుకోవాలంటే బిజినెస్ యూజర్స్ అంటే ఎండ్ యూజర్స్ అని చెప్పుకోవచ్చా సార్? బికాస్
right
దోస్
answer.
పీపుల్ ఆర్ ది అల్టిమేట్ పీపుల్.
They might ask terminology, either business users or end users. So some people can ask, who is the end user for your application? So don't get confused. So business users are nothing but end users. Generally, who are using your implemented application is nothing but end user, final users. Okay, the terminology is what? Either end users or a business users, not a problem.
Okay, sir.
Both are same. So guys, are we clear with this one? This is your project. You should remember this one until end of the training. Okay. Let's come to this one. Now, where are we? Yes, why came? Deleted by which user? Mohan 9th batch. Because I logged in, I only deleted. Okay. And one more thing I want to tell you. Details. Here, on which object we are storing customers' details? Object. Student object, right? And student object only we are storing the customers' details. Okay. And user details are storing in user object, and student object, students customers are details are storing in student object only. Okay. What is object name? Student only, right? The students tab belongs to which object? Student object only. That's why. Okay. These records are belongs to student object only.
Yes, sir.
That's it. Okay. And deleted date. At what time I deleted? At this time only I deleted. Okay. Nice. For how many days? So it will be available in the recycle bin. Okay. For 15 days,
15
it will be
days.
available. Exactly. For 15 days, so it will be available. Once 15 days is completed, on 16th day, so this will be deleted from the recycle bin. Okay, that's it. So generally, I can say it as a soft delete and hard delete, like that kind of thing. So it's okay if you don't know about that name. So after 15 days, that will be not available, and it will be if you want to get after 1 month again. So in this arg, the record is not available, but after 1 month, if you want to, so get this record. So what you can do? You can call to Salesforce team. Salesforce team, you can raise a case. So I want these records on this object like that. So what they can do? So we have deleted this record here, right? That will be deleted there. But so backend servers are there. So on those servers again, so these records will be available up to 2 months or 3 months. I'm not sure about the months. So these records will be available in Salesforce up to 2 to 3 months in the backend servers. So they will pick up the data, pull the data, and they will hand over to you. After 2 to 3 months, I'm not sure about the months exactly, and the record will permanently deleted from Salesforce end also. So that means after the date, so you cannot get this data permanently. That's it. Okay. For 15 days, it will be available in recycle bin. So the record will be
available in recycle bin. Cycle bin.
After 15 days. Okay. It will be deleted.
Delete. It will be available.
From your account. So this is your arg. So it will not be available. Okay. That means from your recycle.
It will go. It will. Yeah. It will. Sir, servers. That means it will available in server.
Shall we configure the number of? No, you cannot configure the number of days. That is by default Salesforce given this one. Okay. But so but
that record
the record
will be available in backend servers.
Backend
Server
server.
might be 3 months. Might be 3 months.
Okay, might be 3 months or 2 months. After that, the data will not be available. After a particular date, data permanently deletes. Okay.
Yeah, from Salesforce end, yes.
Yeah, that's all about deletion of the records, guys.
Okay.
Next. Okay, nice. So suppose I want to revert it. So before 15 days, unfortunately, our receptionist deleted this record. So generally, who are using our receptionist or business users or end users, whatever it may be, our business users are so unfortunately deleted. Now they want to undelete it. Guys, mute yourself until then. Some people are, I mean, getting disturbance, right? So please mute yourself. So okay. Whenever you are talking, so you can just unmute and talk and again mute. So again mute, you are forgetting, right? Please don't forget that again mute. Okay. Next, check it and undelete it. That's it. Okay. Check it and undelete it. That's it. From recycle bin, it will be restored. Undelete means restored. The record will be restored. So again, go to students and you can check Ravi record is available. Okay. So Ravi record is available. That's it. Okay. Next, actually, 1 second. Just if I forget, I'm noting down. Okay. That's all about the recycle bin, guys. If you delete, it will be available there for 15 days like that. Okay. Next, let's delete. Suppose duplicate record is there, Revati. Okay. I'm going to delete one record. Okay. It will be available in recycle bin. Now, suppose I want to delete these records from this org. Okay. I want to delete these records. So what is this? View my recycle bin and all recycle bin. You can see here. If I click on all recycle bin, so generally I told users are there, right? Different business users are there. Suppose in India, 3 receptionists are there, or in UK, 10 receptionists are there, and in USA, so again 10 more receptionists are there. In Oxford Institute, so totally, so 500 business reps are there. Think in that way. 500 business reps are there. For 500 business reps, okay, we need to create 500 users like Mohan 9th batch. So we need to create 500 user records. Okay, now 500 business reps, suppose deleted 1000 student records. All business reps deleted 1000 student records. Now here 1000 students records are there. Okay, I logged in. Okay, I am one of the business user. Thinking that way, I logged in. Okay, and if I click on all recycle bin, I can see 1000 records which are deleted by all business users and all developers. I can see 1000 records which are deleted by all business users. So 500 business users deleted 1000 records. So their records also deleted by, you can see here, deleted by user. Okay, like 500 business users, right, deleted 1000 records that can be viewed by me. All means not only me. Okay, everyone can so view by clicking on the recycle bin. Okay, now if I select the other, if I select empty your organization recycle bin, suppose if I click on the button empty my organization recycle bin, empty, I mean no need to select, directly click on, what will happen? In my organization 500 business users are there and they deleted 1000 records, and if you click on this button the 1000 records will be deleted. Okay, if I click on this button the 1000 records will be deleted, remember. Okay, next, suppose if I click on empty your recycle bin button, okay, I deleted only one record. Suppose I am one business user, I deleted only one record, and the remaining 99 records are deleted by other business users or other developers. So if I click on empty recycle bin, so system will delete only one record which is deleted by me, only one record. I have deleted only one record, right? That will be removed from recycle bin. That will be removed from recycle bin. If I click on this button, so all user records, right, which are deleted by them, so those will be deleted from recycle bin. That's called empty your recycle bin. Your means user, logged in user. Empty, so your org contains all users. Okay, that's what. Okay, are we good, guys? So let's delete empty your recycle bin. That's it. So my records only. I have deleted records, those records only. So it will be removed from recycle bin. Okay, and other users records will not be deleted. That is called this one, and this means
sir.
all records will be deleted. Clear?
Sir,
Yeah.
ఇది ఎంటీ యువర్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్ రీసైకిల్ బిన్ అనేది ఓన్లీ అడ్మిన్ పీపుల్ కి యూజర్ కి కనిపిస్తుంది కానీ అంతే నార్మల్ యూజర్ కనిపించదు కదా
వాళ్ళకి కనబడుద్ది అది పర్మిషన్ మీద.
ఏంటండి ఇట్ డిజేబుల్ లో ఉంటుందా?
పర్మిషన్ ఉంటే డిజేబుల్ కాదు, హైడ్ మోడ్ లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయింది పర్మిషన్ లేకపోతే.
ఓకే ఓకే.
జనరల్ గా అందరికి ఉంటుంది పర్మిషన్. కొంతమంది యూజర్స్
నార్మల్ యూజర్ కూడా ఈ ఎంటీ యువర్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ రీసైకిల్
బిన్నే కనబడదు పర్మిషన్ లేకపోతే.
ఓకే, అంటే డిఫాల్ట్ గా ఉంటుందండి లేకపోతే తర్వాత కంట్రోల్ చేసుకుంటారా వాళ్ళు?
డిఫాల్ట్ గా ఉంటుంది. సో మీరు దాని గురించి వర్రీ.
ఓకే.
The topic is clear. What is this meaning and what is the difference between this one? What is this undelete? Are we clear or not? Okay, if you are silent means I can understand. Okay, it is clear to you. Next. So buttons are done, right? What are the buttons? Clone button, save a new button. How many buttons we have seen? Save we have seen, save and new we have seen, clone we have seen, delete we have seen, edit we have seen.
Yes.
edit sir, మీరు రాస్తారా?
రాస్తాను ఇక్కడ. Okay, save means it can be saved the record. Save and new means it will save the current record and it will allow you to create a new record. And clone means you can copy the existing record data to another record and you can save it. Delete means you can delete the record. The deleted record will go to recycle bin. Edit means you can modify the data by using this button. That's it. Next, record ID. One more data type is there. Actually, record ID is one more data type. Okay, ID is the data type. ID is the data type. What is the data type? ID. And record ID. So what is the record and what is this? Is called one record. Go to any one student object, tab, go to any one record. This is one record. So what is the ID? So here go to URL guys. This is domain actually. Okay, ap16.salesforce.com is a common domain. After salesforce.com, this is common for everyone, not only in this organization. In this account you have created Salesforce free accounts, right? So on that accounts also this domain is common. After slash you can see this 18 digit or a 15 digit. Generally here it is a 15 and in the back end it will be 18 digit count. The length is 15 here. Okay, here remember. So this is record ID, this record ID. Okay, so tell me one thing, if you open a YouTube generally, so one video if you open in the URL, that video, so link is there, right? Represents with one ID something. That means that URL ID represents that video. That's it. Same here also. This, okay, ID represents this particular record. This ID represents this particular record. That you need to remember, guys. That means it is unique. Okay, so in the URL you can get it. URL after salesforce.com. Okay, and it is unique. Unique means no duplicates. Okay, that means so with the same ID no other record ID will be there in the Salesforce organization here. Okay, for each record you can have one record ID for any object. For any object, okay, for each record Salesforce will create one unique ID. See, if I said like this, and don't muck up the sentences exactly like it's not like a exams. Your degree it's not a degree exams. It's not a BTech exams to mug up this sentence. Please don't mug up. Remember point. Understand this one. Okay, and whatever sentence you want to format, you can format it, but understand what I'm saying. Don't make exact sentences like copy paste and like mug up kind of things. I don't like. You can't learn like that. That's not a good way of learning also. Understand what is the usage of this one, what is the purpose of this one, like that you can understand. That's it. The way of thinking should be changed. Okay, not only so, copy this ID and you can check it here. If you have any doubts, let's see this record. Whose record? Revati record. Okay, let's go and open another record also. Go to Ravi and open the record. See the ID after salesforce.com domain with after slash. This is the ID for Ravi, right? So this ID Ravi, and now you both are same or both are different. Both are different, but starting 3 letters are common. See here, it will be changed from back to left, right to left. So here, so last 2 are changed and the remaining is same. You can see here. Okay, from right to left it will be changed. Okay, whatever it may be, both are, so I mean ID is unique and it will not allow duplicates. Like that. Go to another record, Pujita, and check it here. Pujita record. Okay, and what is that? See here now. Till here, 4 letters are different. Okay, 4 letters are different. You can see here 4 letters, not 3. Previously 3, now 4. Common, like that. From right to left, it will be changed. From right to left, but whatever it may be, so it is unique. And see the count: 3 plus 3 length. I'm seeing 6, 3 9, 3 12, and 3 15. So what is the length, guys? 15 digits or 15. Length is what? 15 characters. Okay, so ID length is what? 15 characters. In the URL you can see length is 15, and in the back end 18 length also will be there in the back end. That means in the code, or so in back end you can see same record, 18 character length also there. So 3 more so values will be added to this one. Both are same only. 18 is and 15 is same, so that you can understand going forward. Not now. Forget about that 18 right now. Just see only 15. Okay, like that. Not only student records. Go to any another object. This is what? Contract tab. So the object is what? Contract object, and tab is contract. And go to any one record which is created by Salesforce. Sample record, not there. Go to account tab and go to any one record, and you can observe it. Copy the record ID. Okay, Dickinson. Okay, Dickinson is the name and his record ID, and object is also changed. Different object. Okay, Dickinson. Object is what? Account object. And now see here, totally different. Starting 3 letters are different. You can see 001. It started. So here A00. Okay, generally like that. So unique, whatever it may be. My concept is what? You need to know each record ID should be unique. That's it. That's what you need to understand. Next. Clear? Any questions on the record ID? Next. Okay. Next. Go to you have created fields, right? So let's go to delete fields. Okay. Let's go and delete fields. So how to go to my fields on student object? Tell me, guys, quickly. Navigation.
Go to students object.
Students tab.
Go to students tab.
Right side
Access
of the
menu.
Quick access menu, view fields.
Field.
Nice. Okay. So you can see here you have created so many fields, right? So if I delete any one field, what will happen? That's what, right? Let me delete one field. Suppose if this is not duplicate set, I want to delete this one. So click on here, delete. Okay, click on delete.
We all lot
Click this button and click on delete. Okay, that's it. And you go to that record, and on the record, so you have deleted, right? That will not be available. So what is that one? Educational, right? So as of now, you can see on educational, two fields are there. Where is the educational field? Two fields are there. One is the text and second one is the text area. This is a text area and the text field is deleted. Just now I have. So where you can see the deleted field. Come here. You can see deleted. Okay. So on the which section? Custom fields and related section. You can see deleted. Okay. How many fields you deleted? One field. So delete one. And how many days it will store here? Still available here?
15 days.
15 days.
15 days. Okay, after 15 days it will permanently delete. Actually permanent delete is nothing but a hard delete, and this delete is nothing but a soft delete. Okay, generally terminology, if you want you can use it, it's not a problem. Hard delete terminology is nothing but what? That field will be deleted from here. Okay, it will not be available. That's it. That is called hard delete. Okay, like record. Now you have deleted. Once you deleted, something is changed in the API name. What you have observed here in the API name?
Underscore del underscore season. Del is
Right,
appended.
underscore. That meaning is what? You have deleted this field. That is the meaning of this one. Okay. Now, what are these two options? Erase and undelete. Undelete means what? You understand from the recycle bin. I explained here, right? The recycle bin. You can see. I have used the undelete. Undelete means restore. What is the meaning of undelete? Means restore.
Restore.
Okay. So if you undelete it, what will happen? Okay. Okay. So the label name is same, but the API name is changed. Delete. Okay. No problem. Now let's refresh. As of now, you have seen only one educational. Okay. Field. Let's refresh and check how many educational fields are there. Now you can see educational background, educational details. So this is the field which you have deleted just now, and you have undeleted again just now. Okay, right. Now one more question you can ask. On Revati, on educational details, I have added data. Can you see on educational details? Okay, so this field you have deleted, this field. Once you deleted, the field is deleted, no problem, soft deleted, and until 15 days, so it will be available. But once you undeleted, what happened here? What you observed here? After you undeleted the field, what you have
Data
observed?
also restored.
The data also retrieved. You need to remember the point. The data also retrieved. Okay. So from this meaning is what? You have deleted the field only on the screen, but in the original database the field is not deleted. That you need to understand, guys. So in the original database the field is available until 15 days. In the original database the field is available for this object. Along with that field the data also available. Okay, and in the meantime if you undelete it, so the data for this field, right, it will be retrieved from the database. So in the database the field is not deleted. In the screen only the field is deleted. Okay, that is the reason. So the data is retrieved, but after 15 days, okay, the field will be deleted permanently. You can't retrieve it. Okay, that's you need to observe. Next, so can I change this API name? Yes, you can change. Edit it. The label name is same, but API name is changed. So how can I change field API name? Tell me, guys. How can I change field API name?
Field name.
Field name. If you change the field name, automatically the API name will be changed. Okay. 2 times you can save it, not 1 time. Click on the save button 2 times. Okay, now the API name is old API name. I have changed it. that will be used in coding. Okay, the label is same. That is called field deletion. Like that you can delete so all custom fields, not a problem. Okay, any custom field you can delete it and it will be available like that. The deletion of the custom fields are completed. Okay, done. Next, deletion of the custom object. Okay, yes, you can delete, and once you delete the custom object, it's like, let me delete it, not a problem. Okay, yes, I want. That's it. What happened? Your custom object is deleted. Okay, come to the topic. Delete custom field. So from this one, the field will be deleted. Okay, and is available until 15 days. After, it will not be available. That is the meaning. Okay, if user undeletes this field, okay, if user undeletes this field, what happened? The field is restored and also data is restored. Okay, so that meaning is what? The field is not deleted in original database for 15 days. That is the meaning of this one. In original database, the field is available for 15 days. That's why the field value also is not deleted. That is the meaning of this one. Okay, so next, delete custom object. What will happen if you delete a custom object? Okay, let me check, let me show you. Okay, so open this deleted object. Okay, so it is also will be deleted like so 15 days, like that kind of thing. However, they have not given, whatever it may be. And here you can see two options, and delete and erase. Okay, that means the object will be deleted. Generally 15 days. Next, once you delete object, what happens to tab? Okay, here the tab is also deleted. You have created tab for this object, and if you want, you can go and customize and check. So check the tab. What is the tab? Student. With yes, any tabs are there? Yes, 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 yes. That's it. Student tab is permanently deleted. Can you see? That's what. So tab for that object is also deleted. You need to remember that. Okay, the tab also deleted, and if the tab is deleted, that means you can't create records and everything. Okay, can't see the records here. Next, so suppose I want to restore that object. Where is this object? Go to custom objects, setup, and objects, and objects, and go to deleted objects, and here undelete it. Once you undelete it, click on OK button. That's it. API name is not changed for objects, but for custom fields, the API name is changed. Okay, whatever previously created fields, all those fields will be restored now. They have restored object. Okay, nice. So once you undeleted, object detail page. So on object detail page, whatever settings we have done, that will be restored. Okay, check what happens to tab. Go to tabs, customize tabs, and check student tab. So you can't see tabs here, right? That means what? The tab is not restored. Okay, and if you want to confirm, go to setup and go tabs here. Okay, click on tabs and you can check custom object tabs or no custom object tabs. So from this one, what you understand? If you restore an object, what happens to the tab? Tell me.
Go to new.
Tab
You
was deleted
undelete
permanently from the DB.
an object. Okay, the tab. Tell me next sentence. Fill the
Is not
sentence.
restored.
Exactly, is not restored. Okay, fill in the blanks. If you undelete an object, the tab is not restored. That means will not be restored. So what you need? Again, you create a new tab. That's it. Again, you need to create a new tab. That's it, guys. So the tab will be deleted. That is the meaning. It's not restored. So go to new button. Okay, student object. See here. Mute yourself. Next button. Next finally save. You have created a students tab. Now you have changed the color. And the name will not be changed. From where the name came, guys, this name, tab name, from where it is came?
From the plural
Plural name.
label name of the
From
object.
plural.
Object.
Plural name.
From student object.
Plural label name. Okay, right answer. Now you can see here. Tab color I have changed. Okay, I have changed the tab color. And the records, what happens to records? Now you note it down. Once if you undelete an object, fill in the blanks. If you undelete an object, the existing records, tell me, fill in the blanks. You
Will be
can see what
restored.
happens to records.
Will be
Restored.
restored.
Will not
Data
change.
will be restored.
Will be restored.
Existing records will be
Restored.
okay. In school days we have seen, right? Fill in the blanks, fill in the blanks. That's it. You need to remember these points, guys. That's all about the deletion of the field and deletion of the object. Till here, any questions only on this one? We are going to see erase also. That's why.
Mohan,
Yeah.
instead of creating the student object, can I create some other name? So if I create some other name, whether the data will be restored?
One second. While restoring the object, while undeleting the object. That's what you are saying, right?
Yeah, while restoring. See, okay, no, we deleted that student object. We again recreated it. Okay, now the data is restored. So instead of creating the new object, say, okay, student tab. So can I create some other name? Then the data will be restored to that object.
Your question is wrong. So let me understand your question. If I click on the delete button, right? Delete it. Let me show you. You have deleted, and while undeleting, okay, while undeleting, so can I change the name of the object? That's what your question, right?
Yes.
So okay, the system allowed you to create a new name while deleting. Can you see any edit option here?
No.
To change the label name?
No.
No. So what is the answer for your question?
Yeah, I got the answer now. Yeah.
We can't. Okay.
Yeah.
and delete it.
So that means we can't
Nice.
change the tab name, is it?
Tab name cannot be edited. Remember, tab name cannot be edited. From where the tab name comes, if you want
From
to
object.
change the tab, you can change it from here. That's it. Label name.
Understood. Understood. Yeah.
Okay. So let's go. Now what happens to the tab? That is deleted because I deleted, right? Click on next button. What is the tab name? Double S is there or not? Did you observe double S?
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Get it?
Yes. Get it.
Yes. Okay. Nice. Any other questions? Quickly. From this one, the tab name will be copied automatically. That you can't modify, that you can't change, that you can't control also. If you want to change, you can modify here itself. That's it. Next. Okay. All questions are clear, right? Next, arrays. Arrays, right? Let's delete one more field from this object. Let me show you.
సార్
arrays.
రికార్డ్ ఐడి ఎలా చేంజ్ చేస్తారో చెప్తారా సార్ మళ్ళీ?
ఏం క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి?
రికార్డ్ ఐడి
రికార్డ్ ఐడి
ఎలా చేంజ్ చేస్తాం సార్ చెప్తారా సార్?
రికార్డ్ ఐడి ఎలా చేంజ్ చేస్తామా? యు కాంట్ చేంజ్. దట్ ఈస్ జనరేటెడ్ బై హోమ్?
Salesforce.
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 Who will create this one?
Salesforce.
So you can't do it. You can't change it. Salesforce only will create that record ID. That's it. Okay. You can't modify it. You can't change it. And one more thing I would like to say. Now I got the one more point to explain to you. Revati record, suppose. Okay. Let me. So I just remembered. So you can see this is the Revati record, right? I delete this record. I copied already Revati record ID. Delete this one. Go to recycle bin and delete Revati record again. Okay. Go to students tab. Go to Revati. And after undeleting, check whether the record ID is changed or not. And hit like this. Is it changed or not? Once you delete it and undelete it, does the record ID change or not?
No,
Say
it's
yes or
not.
no?
No, it's not changed.
No, it's not changed.
That's it. Okay. It is same only. Even though if you delete the record and if you restore from recycle bin, the record ID also will not be changed like other fields. So any field value will not be changed. Same how the record ID also will not be changed. And who creates this record ID? Salesforce will create this record ID, that you cannot change it. Okay. Even
Hello?
you cannot change role. This one also. Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
ఇప్పుడు మనం
Yeah, you can ask.
క్లోన్ చేసినప్పుడు కూడా రికార్డ్ ఐడి మారుతుందా?
So what is the meaning while cloning? What we are doing once cloning is completed? Tell me. What we are doing?
సేమ్ ఇది కాపీ అవుతుంది కదా సార్?
Data only copy అవుతుంది, field values. So is it a new record or not if I save it? Tell me.
Is it? No. New record is email.
New record.
I mean,
it's new record. Am I right or wrong? What is this meaning?
Unique.
For each
Okay, sir,
record.
okay.
for each
Yeah,
record.
SalesForce.
An unique ID will be generated.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
also,
Okay, thank you.
what happens to data number, auto number field? That also a new one will be generated, right?
Generate. Okay. Yes, sir.
Some people are already asked the question, right? What happens to, so auto number, a new auto number is generated. You can see line 6. And the ID is different. After cloning, what you are doing, you are saving. That meaning is what? You are creating a new record. That is the meaning. Okay, now you can see both are different. This is a Revati old. 2 records are there here, not 1 record. This is 1 record and this is another record, even though both are so Revati only. Okay, unique. Each record 1 ID, that will be unique. Okay, next. Let's go to any one field, delete any one field. Let's delete. I deleted that URL field. Okay, just refresh and check URL field is not there. Okay, it is deleted. Very nice. Go to custom object fields. Here, deleted fields go here. Suppose, what is the meaning of erase? So in school days, you know, right? Eraser will erase all the things. That is the meaning of eraser, right? So that means if you click on this one, so it deletes permanently. Okay, the field will be deleted from this arc permanently. Click on erase, save. And the field, company website, right? The field is deleted. That's it. From the database also, the data is deleted. If you want, you can create the field. That's it. Okay, the field is deleted, you can't retrieve it. And if you want, you can create a new field. That's it. That is called arrange. Next, simple things, right? Now, standard object and custom objects. Okay, now the topic is what? Standard object and custom object. Before going to that one, we can go to standard fields and custom fields. Okay, first standard fields and custom fields, and later we will see standard objects and custom objects. So go to any one object, student objects that we are familiar. Go to fields. Okay, now you can see when an object is created, Salesforce will create a few standard fields. Okay, and you can create custom fields. Okay, these fields are created by user, whether it is a developer or what it may be, human being except Salesforce. And the standard fields which are created by Salesforce only, not by you. Okay, so let's go to open any one record. Example. Now, what are the 4 standard fields? Created by, last modified by, owner, name. Let's check one by one. Created by. Okay, so where is created by? And bottom you can see created by. Which user? Mohan 9th batch. How? I only logged in. Okay, I only logged in. So my details only will be there. Suppose. So in rest, I mean, this application or this org is utilizing by 500 business reps. Okay, that means sales reps or marketing reps, whatever it may be, a receptionist. So that receptionist logged in, created one record. So that receptionist details will be added over here. Looks like, I think it is better if I can create one more user for this org right now itself, right? So just remind me guys, on Monday I will create one user. Okay, I will show you the differences. Okay, Monday, remind me and don't forget, just remind me. Okay, next, last modified by which user? Again Mohan 9th batch only, last modified by. Okay, 25 at what am 10:27 a.m. I modified. Okay, that's it. I modified, created by and modified by. You can see the log symbols. That means you can't modify this data. Read only data, you can't modify. So 2 fields, created by, last modified by. Next, so owner field. owner, again owner also me only. So generally you can modify this owner, you can change it. So by clicking on this one, and you can search any owner users are there, and you can change. Only me is there, so nothing will be there. So you cannot. So add a new user. Okay, Monday we will add, no problem here also, but it is changeable. Next, name. Name means, okay, label name is what? Student name is a label name. So this student name is the this one only. Okay, the student name is this one only. Who creates this one? Salesforce create. Okay, Salesforce created this one. But when you are creating a new object, during the time this field is created. Okay, and again when we are going to create a new object, at that time I will explain about the name field clearly. During that time you can understand, okay, how this happened, the text and all these kind of things, whatever it may be. These are the 4 standard fields, guys. And among those 4, how many are editable and how many are not editable? Values, tell me. 4 fields. On how many fields you can edit that, and on how many fields you can't edit that?
2 fields are editable
2
and
fields
2
Two
fields are
fields,
we
only
cannot
two
non-editable.
fields we can
edit.
edit.
Right. So created by, last modified by, you can't edit, and owner and name
Owner
data
name
you can
we
edit.
can edit.
Okay, right on. Now, okay, values I am saying, as of now, with respect to values, you can change the values. Now suppose I want to change the label name of the student name. Okay, or I want to change the label name of the created by, or I want to change the last modified by name of the, so this one. So let's check. Do you have any edit symbol here? No, right? For these 2 fields, do you have any edit symbol?
No, sir.
No.
That meaning is what? You can't modify the label name. Click on this one. You can't modify the label name, right?
We
And
can't
you
do
can't
any
modify
changes.
anything on these 2 fields.
Yeah, we can't.
Exactly.
We
So let's
can.
go to owner field. Here you are seeing edit, right? Open this owner field here in a new tab. And so I want to modify label name. Is it possible or not? Tell me.
Not possible.
Not possible again.
We
Okay.
can't do any
So it
changes.
is, again you can't do any changes with respect.
Changes.
Okay, leave it. Next, let's edit student name field right side.
We can edit. We can
Now,
change.
what is this name? Student name.
Yes.
Can I change the label name or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So let me change from student name to name. Any name you can give. Okay.
Yeah.
And save it. You have changed the label name. I have changed it. So you can see I have changed the label name of the name. Okay. Now instead of student name, you can refresh it. What will be there? Field label name is changed. Name. Okay. And again, if you want to change it, refresh it. Name is the right. Edit this one. You can change. It looks good. That's all. And any other data type is there. Auto number will be there along with the text. Auto number will be there. And right now, so you don't need to add while creating another object. So we can see that auto number also. Auto number, format, text, all this. So the data will be added with the help of auto number. Right now you don't need it. Save it. Now tell me one thing. Okay, what you observed with respect to standard fields. Standard fields, label name. One by one, we can't. Guys,
Oh, okay, okay.
lot of disturbance. We can't change label name and API names. Okay, for these standard fields. Except, but you can change label name for one field. What is that? Tell me. For one field,
Student name.
one of the standard field you can change the name field. Okay. For this name field you can change it. Label. For one standard field you can change the label name. The field is what? Name field. Okay. Create. What are the standard fields? Created by, last modified by owner and name. What are the standard fields? And custom object. Custom object. So what are the standard fields? Created by, last modified by owner, name. Okay, that's it. These are the standard fields, and you can modify only one field. Oh, and on records, and how many, for how many fields we can change values on records? For how many fields we can change values? Tell me. For how many fields you can change values on records? For these standard fields.
2 fields.
2 fields, sir.
What are those?
2 fields we can edit, sir.
Okay, what are those fields? I'm asking the field names.
Owner and the student name.
2 fields. Okay. Now what are those?
Owner and student name.
And
name. Name.
Name. Student
name. We can name. Okay. That's it. Right answer. Next. Can I delete these fields?
No, we can't. No,
Check.
sir.
Answer is what? No, because here in the
No.
option DL button is there. Here it's not there. So answer is what? No, you can't. Okay, right answer. So now you understand, right? Those are called standard fields. Now, what is the difference between the standard fields and the custom fields? You tell me. Points.
So standard fields are
Custom fields are created by users.
It's called standard fields.
Standard fields are created by SalesForce and custom fields are created by users.
So
We
standard
can modify
fields
custom
are
fields.
created by, exactly, first point. Who creates the standard fields? SalesForce. Okay,
SalesForce.
and custom fields are created
by
users.
Okay, first one.
by SalesForce and custom fields.
Users, that's it. Whether business user or developer, whatever it may be, user.
Yes, sir. Okay. So we can change. We cannot change.
We cannot delete the standard
we
fields.
Okay. We cannot.
Exactly. You cannot delete the standard field, but you can delete the custom fields.
Custom
Okay.
fields.
You cannot delete the standard fields, but you can delete the custom fields.
Custom fields. Yes.
Also, we can modify the custom fields. Wherein we cannot modify the standard fields.
Whatever the change, we can
do any changes in custom fields.
Custom fields.
We cannot do any changes
Next.
in standard fields. Yes.
So yeah, you can't modify like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can't modify label names or API names. Okay. For standard fields.
Sir.
Except name field. Okay. But for custom fields, you can. Okay, that's it. Next difference. Values also. Okay, few of the custom fields are readable, few of the standard fields also. So that is enough, guys. Okay, this is enough.
సార్ ఒకసారి
Any question?
నో సార్. సార్ ఇప్పటి వరకు ఏం క్వశ్చన్స్ లేవు, కానీ ఒకసారి రికార్డింగ్ ఆపకండి సార్. ఒక ఏంటి అంటే మీరు లాస్ట్ టైం మాకు చెప్తూ ఉన్నారు కదా సార్, యాప్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ అని చెప్పేసి ఒకటి చెప్పారు కదా సార్. అందులో ఇన్స్టాల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అనేది ఒకటి చెప్పారు, అది చేసుకుంటే మీకు బాగుంటుంది అని. అప్పుడు మీకు ఇంటర్నెట్ కనెక్షన్ ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది కదా సార్. అది ఒక్కసారి ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయగలరా సార్, చేస్తారా సార్? అంటే నేను చేస్తున్నప్పుడు అప్పుడు నాకు ఏమని వస్తుంది అంటే శాండ్ బాక్స్ లో మీరు మీరు అది కరెక్ట్ గా నాకు ప్రాపర్ గా అది అర్థం కాలేదు సార్ ప్యాటర్న్.
ప్యాకేజెస్ నేను తర్వాత చెప్తానులే, మళ్ళీ అప్పుడు చూద్దురు. ఇప్పుడే ప్యాకేజ్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకొని ఏం చేస్తాం? నీకు ఆబ్జెక్ట్లు తెలియదు, ఫీల్డ్స్ తెలియదు.
చెప్పారు సార్ మీరు చేసుకోండి ఒకసారి, అయితే జస్ట్ చేస్తే జస్ట్ మీకు తెలుస్తుంది అని అంటే చేస్తుంటుంది.
ఆల్రెడీ రికార్డెడ్ ఉంది కదా.
అది లేదు సార్, ఆ రోజు మనకి నెట్ పనిచేయట్లేదు అని మీరు చెప్పలేదు.
యాప్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ కి ఎక్కడ పోవాలో ఇక్కడ నుంచి వెళ్ళండి. ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ఏదో ఒక ఫ్రీ యాప్ ఉంటుంది కదా, దాన్ని ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకోండి. అయినా ఇప్పుడు అవసరం లేదు అది యాప్.
ఆ ఇన్స్టాలింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ లోనే అప్పుడు నెట్ సరిగ్గా పనిచేయలేదు అన్నారు, అది మేము చేస్తున్నా సరిగ్గా అవ్వలేదు, ఒకసారి చెప్తారు.
ఇన్స్టాలింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ ఏం చెప్పలేదు, ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసి గెట్ ఇట్ నౌ క్లిక్ చేసి వదిలేశాను అంతే. అంతకుమించి నేనేం చెప్పలేదే. నేనేమైనా చెప్పానా? చెప్పండి.
అంటే
గుర్తున్నంత వరకు నేనైతే చెప్పలేదు.
ఆర్గ్లో మీరు ప్రాజెక్ట్ అది ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకొని ఒకసారి జస్ట్ చూస్తూ ఉంటే మీకు ఇంకా బెటర్ గా ఉంటది, రేపు అసలు ఏముందో లోపల అర్థమవుతూ ఉంటది అని చెప్పేసి చెప్పారు.
మీ బ్యాచ్ చెప్పానా ముందు బ్యాచ్ వాళ్ళకా?
మాకే సార్. చెప్తూ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇంటర్నెట్ కనెక్షన్ మీకు సరిగా అవ్వలేదు.
Anyone remembered? I don't remember, that's why.
గెట్ ఇట్ వరకు చెప్పి వదిలేశారు సార్.
అంటే మళ్ళీ గుడ్ చేయమని కూడా అన్నారు.
గెట్ ఇట్ వరకు చెప్పి వదిలేశారు సార్.
ఒకసారి మీరు ఫ్రీ
వదిలేసా కదా, చూపించి వదిలేసాను. మీకు ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయటం అనేది చూపించలేదు. ఫ్రీ వదిలేసాను. ఇక్కడ మోర్ కొట్టండి, మోర్ కొట్టిన తర్వాత గెట్ ఇట్ నౌ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ నుంచి నేను వదిలేశాను. ఇక్కడ గెట్ ఇట్ నౌ క్లిక్ చేయండి. ఇక్కడ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేషన్ అండ్ సో అదర్ యూజర్స్ అని వస్తుంది అనమాట. మీరు ఏదో ఒకటి సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని సో ఓకే కొట్టుకుంటే అది ఇన్స్టాల్ అవుతుంది. ఇన్స్టాల్ అయిన తర్వాత మీ తర్వాత ఏమీ తెలియదు మీరు ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలి. దాన్ని ఎలా యూజ్ చేస్తారు?
అంటే ఎడ్యుకేషన్ దాంట్లోకి వెళ్తే కిండర్ గార్డెన్ నుంచి వేరేదన్నా ఒక యాప్ ఫ్రీ ఉండింది సార్, అది సో దాన్ని కొట్టి ట్రై చేశాను. ట్రై చేస్తే దాంట్లో వచ్చి మనకి శాండ్ బాక్స్ అని ఒకటి ఉంది, దాంట్లో ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలా లేకపోతే ఆర్గ్లో అంటే వెళ్ళాను అనమాట మళ్ళీ. కానీ అది మళ్ళీ ఏ క్వశ్చన్స్ వేస్తుందని భయం వేసి ఆపేసాను.
ఇప్పుడు అదే ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తావు తెలుసుకొని ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకొని
జస్ట్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసి లోపలంతా చూస్తూ ఉంటే మీకు తెలుస్తుంది అన్నారని నేను అది చేశాను అనమాట ప్రాసెస్.
ఎప్పుడు మీరు అప్పుడు ఏదో క్వశ్చన్ అడిగారు, ఎప్పుడు మీకు అవన్నీ తెలిస్తే మీకు ఇప్పుడు ఏమైనా తెలుసా? ఎంతవరకు తెలుసు? కొంతవరకే తెలుసు. ఆ యాప్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ అది ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది, ఎక్కడ ఇన్స్టాల్ అయింది, ప్యాకేజ్ ఎక్కడ ఇన్స్టాల్ అయింది, వేరే కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి, అవన్నీ ఇప్పుడు తెలియదు కదా. అవునా కదా?
అవును సార్, అవును.
నేను ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తే తెలుస్తుంది అన్నాను, కానీ ఏ టైంలో రైట్ టైం ఉంటుంది దానికి కూడా. సో ఇప్పుడు కాదు అది.
ఓకే సార్, అలాగే
అర్థమైందా?
ఓకే సార్.
ప్రతిదానికి నేను టైం మెన్షన్ చేస్తాను. కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్లు అడిగినప్పుడు ఇప్పుడు కాదు నేను లాస్ట్ తర్వాత చెప్తాను, దాని రైట్ టైం వచ్చినప్పుడు. అవునా?
అవును సార్. అంటే
అసలు వదిలేసి సరేనా? మళ్ళీ దాని గురించి ఆలోచించు. మాకు ఆ టాపిక్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మళ్ళీ నేను చెప్తాను, ప్యాకేజ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు దాని గురించి వదిలేసి. సరేనా?
షూర్ సార్.
యా, నెక్స్ట్ అసలు ఆలోచించమాక, ఇన్స్టాల్ కూడా చేయమాక. నేను మళ్ళీ ఆ టాపిక్ వచ్చినప్పుడు చెప్తాను. సరేనా? డోంట్ వరీ. ఎనీ అదర్ క్వశ్చన్స్? నేను చూపిస్తా, మీరు కంగారు పడాల్సిన పనే లేదు. హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ నాలెడ్జ్ తో వెళ్ళొద్దు. ఓకే, ఎప్పుడు ఫుల్ నాలెడ్జ్ తో వెళ్ళండి, వెళ్ళకపోతే అసలు వెళ్ళొద్దు. అట్లా కాన్సెప్ట్.
అలాగే సార్.
సో టిల్ ఆర్ వి గుడ్ ఆర్ నాట్?
గుడ్ సార్.
Yes, sir. Good to go.
ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైందా? 1 week what is the tab, what is the object, what is the field, what is the standard fields, what is the custom object, all we know, right?
Yes sir.
Next,
better idea.
Next, standard objects. Okay, next, standard objects. Okay, what is the custom object? Custom object means an object which is created by user. So that means what? If any user created an object called custom object, simply. I'm not going to give a definition. Okay, like a vertic kind of definition I don't give. So users who creates the objects called custom objects, simply. Okay, so if you want to create, they can go here, custom object. I'm saying again one more time, click on the button and click on the new custom object. So like that they can create so many objects, and the limit, if you want to know, you can so go to Google it, and in this release how many objects you can create, right? So you can check it. Generally it's like 400, around like that. So olden days, if Salesforce has updated that limit, you can check it, not a problem. Okay, you don't bother about the limits, but if you want, you can check it in Google. Again, you can fill this data and you can create one more custom object also. So like that. However, so few more custom objects we are going to create, okay, nowadays going forward. So during that time I will show, but time being I am telling, so you can create more number of custom objects. Okay, next, that already we have seen one custom object. Standard objects. What are standard objects? What is the meaning of standard? So if Salesforce create anything, that is called standard, whether it is an object, whether it is a field, whether it is any other thing, tab or anything. If Salesforce create, what is the meaning of standard here? Standard meaning is what? If Salesforce creates anything, that is called standard. Okay, that is the meaning of the standard. Okay, if it is a standard object, that means an object which is created by Salesforce called standard object. Standard field meaning is what? A field which is created by Salesforce called standard field. Predefined at Salesforce. Only who creates Salesforce only, right? Yeah, exactly. A tab which are created by Salesforce called standard tabs, simply. Standard meaning is what? Predefined, or some people are saying predefined. Okay, nice. And the general thing is what? Salesforce already created. That's it. We are not. And where we can see standard objects? Who creates? One more thing. Who creates? So this object, these objects, Salesforce.
Salesforce.
That means, okay, where we can see
Tab section.
navigation, I am asking.
Tabs.
Okay, and if you are searching for objects, no, I'm not asking tab, I'm asking object. We will go to tab later. I'm asking object. Tab and object both are different, remember. Okay, now where we can see standard objects? Can you see here? Build, customize. Can you see build and customize? Expand this button and you can see, so home to till here. Okay, okay, individuals, whatever. These are all standard objects, guys. Home, activities, campaigns, leads, accounts, all standard objects. You can see home, charter, campaigns, leads. These are tabs, and for those tabs, these are the objects. Okay, for these objects, so those tabs are added here by Salesforce. Okay, so these are tabs, sorry, objects, not tabs. These are objects, so standard objects. And home, activities is standard object, campaign is standard object, lead is standard object, account is standard object, contact standard, notes, opportunities, path, codes, forecast, cases, self. Okay, forget about this one. Charter. So many standard objects are there. Solutions, products, price books, Okay, partners, all these are what standard objects only. Ideas, answers, assets, users, all are standard objects only. All are, so many standard objects are there, and we don't use all these standard objects in real time in one project. In one project, a few standard objects we can use based on the cloud project type. What is project type? Is a sales cloud project we can use. So for sales cloud, few of the objects. Generally, when you create an org, right, a sales application is there, right? For sales application, you are seeing tabs, right? So that means, so for the tabs, objects are there in the backend, right? All those objects we can use in real time. Okay. So like that, service cloud is there. For that cloud, few different objects we can use like that. So marketing cloud, few different objects we can use like that. Okay. And don't think all these objects we can use in a single project. You should not think like that. Even don't think all features can we use in a single project. No, you cannot use it. Okay. Now standard objects. Let's see any one object. Account, contact. Let's go to accounts. Expand, and what you can see here. What are these? Fields. Okay. Validation rules. Different sections. Click on fields. And what is this one? Account fields. Okay. Account fields. Account object fields. What are these? Again, what are these?
Standard
Account
fields, if I'm
object
not wrong.
standard. Show me more fields. Okay, more standard fields, not only one, 30 plus. But for any custom object, how many standard fields we have seen? Only 4. Okay, but for standard objects you can see many number of standard fields. Okay, and come to this custom fields. Who created these custom fields? Who created? Actually, on few of the standard objects, okay, on few of the standard objects, by default, Salesforce will create 2 custom fields. As per the business purpose, by default, they will create so these fields. Remember that point. Let's go to customize accounts fields. Okay, what you observed? So many standard fields are there and few custom fields which are created by Salesforce. Okay, and one more thing, whether it is created by Salesforce, whatever it may be, but it is a custom field. That means you can delete it. Even though it is created by Salesforce, it is a custom field. So that means you can delete it, and you can change the label names also. Okay, edit any one field and you can see it here. You can change the label name also, you can change the API name. So all things what we can do for custom field, you can do for this custom field also. But this custom field is created by Salesforce only. Whatever it may be, whoever creates this custom field, but you can delete it, modify it, all the things you can do it. But standard fields, okay, you cannot modify it, you cannot delete it. Standard fields, okay, that you need to know. You can check, edit this account number and see it. You cannot change the label name and the names also. Okay, that you need to observe it. So whatever we discussed here, so the standard fields and custom fields, right? So those things will apply, same only. Okay, those things. Standard fields can't be deleted and can't be modified, anything. And custom fields can be deleted. Whoever creates can be deleted, can be modified. That's it. Next. Okay, and go to another section, validation rules section, in accounts only, separate section. So like that, separate sections are like as options under accounts here. It is an option like that. Different pages. Okay. For each option, okay, different pages are there. I'm going to explain the difference between the custom object and standard object. Okay, different sections. Suppose if you go to custom object, every option which you are viewing here, right, that will be displayed in one page called, what is this page? Object detail page. So you can see here standard fields and custom fields. Okay, in this page only it will be displayed, everything will be displayed in a single page. All options or all features or all sections will be displayed in a single page for custom object. Okay, but if you take standard object, it will displayed in separate pages like this. Okay, and options are displayed. So fields, custom fields and standard fields. Next, validation rules. So see here. So validation rules, that section is available only on the single page, but here you need to click on so that a new page will be opened. And the triggers in standard object, so you need to click on this one, and that will be displayed in the right side. But here same page layouts, field sets, like that. These are all different sections for each object, but for custom object it will be displayed in the one page, and but for standard objects, so it will be displayed as a sections here, and new pages for each option will be displayed. Okay, first view is changed. Okay, the view is changed. For standard object the view is like this. Okay, for custom objects the view is on a single page itself, the view is. Okay, next, not only for any one standard, for all standard objects this is. If you click on fields, so lead object fields, you can see here. Okay, lead object standard fields and a few custom fields which are created by Salesforce, but those are editable, modifiable, okay, deletable, different sections. And for each standard object the view is same. Standard object view means options or sections you can see under, okay, object name in setup, okay, in setup page. But for custom object all these things you can see in a single page. Okay, that is one difference. That is enough, guys. Looks like you might get confused if I go so further more things. As of now, so this is enough. Okay, and so your assignment is, so you can go to assignments and start working on that one. So I have given few of the objects there, and what you can do is, so you create a custom field on a standard object. Create a custom field here, click on the custom field and select these data types, any one data type. Okay, available data types, select it, no problem, and click on next button and create it. Okay, like that. What, let me give you one example. What is the data type I have selected? Text or number, length. I'm creating a custom field on standard object. So that's it. So you have created a custom field. Where is this one? Lead number. Okay, you have created. Next. So that is done, right? The custom field you have created. Next, create a record. Where is lead? You go to here, leads tab, and create a new button, and you can create a lead record. Okay, in assignment you can do. I have given assignment. So create one or two fields on standard objects. Objects I have given, and create 1 to 2 records for each standard object. Just that you need to do. So lead solution Mr. First name Mohan, and trainer I can give. Company name BLR. And where is your custom field which you have created? Go to leads fields. So lead number, search with label name. Okay, here lead number 001. That's it. Okay, save it. You have created one record, Mr. Mohan trainer company name, like that. So you can create. So go to assignments, check the assignment, start working on the assignment, guys. Okay, only two things I told. One is what, where you can see standard objects. Okay, where you can see setup, under customize, under build, you can see all standard objects. And if I want to create a custom field on the standard object, you can expand, click on the fields and go to custom field section, create it. Okay, and what is the difference between the standard object and custom object view? So for custom object, everything will be displayed in object detail page. All sections are added in the object detail page. But for standard objects, all sections are displayed in the setup box here, setup. Okay, and if you click on any of the option, right side, the page will be displayed. And next, can we create a custom field for standard object? Yes, we can create a custom field. Okay, next. And one more thing I would like to tell, what is the difference between standard field and custom field? Okay, let me show you the difference. For custom field, the API name will be __C. For standard field, the API names will not be __C. Standard field doesn't have __C. This is API name, think in that way. Okay, there is no __C. But for custom fields, __C will be there. That's one more main difference. If it is __C, that meaning is what? It is a custom field. Okay, if there is no __C, that meaning is what? That field is a standard field. And again, same like what is the difference between the standard object and the custom object? It is a standard object and the custom object. The API name for standard object does not with __C, but the API name for custom object is with __C. Okay, if it is a custom object or if it is a custom field, whatever it may be, __C will be there. Okay, if it is a standard object or if it is a standard field, so __C is not there. Even you can see these 4 standard fields, the API name, right? So there is no __C. Okay, that is one more difference. So that's all for today, guys. Start working on the assignments which I have given, and we will see more differences in Monday class. So today already heavy, actually it's already heavy, I know. Okay, no problem, you can go back and understand. Just a recap what we have discussed in our today class. Quickly within 2 minutes we can finish it. Just a recap what we have discussed. We have discussed about different
Radio
buttons in record.
Buttons,
Okay?
Records.
Yeah, we have buttons and
Standard fields, custom
the
fields.
use case of the button.
Clone.
Next, so we have seen the delete option for the records. Okay, in recycle bin, those things we have. Next, we have seen custom fields deletion. That for 15 days it will store, and so once you delete, a DEL option will be added, and before 15 days you can so undelete that. And also we have seen also erase, we have seen permanently delete, all these things. So we have seen, so with respect to delete option for custom fields we have seen, and what are the standard fields we have seen. Okay, and also the difference between the standard fields and custom fields we have seen. Okay, __C will be there for custom field, and __C is not there for standard fields. And custom fields you can delete it, and standard fields you cannot delete it. Okay, and among those all standard fields on custom object, for one field you can change the label name. That field is called name field. Okay, name field you can change the label name. Okay, and next, standard fields or standard objects you can't delete it, but custom fields and custom objects you can delete it. Okay, and all sections for a custom object you can see in one page. The page is called what? Object detail page. Okay, all sections you can see in one page, same page here only. But for standard object, okay, for standard object all sections will be displayed here in the setup bar. Okay, and if you click on any one of the feature on the right side, the section will be displayed. It will be a different view. Okay, like that. And the navigation for standard objects, setup, search for, so customize and go here. No need to sit under build, customize is there, and check these are all standard objects. Above create, customize is there. That's okay. So that's all about few things, and I have created one custom field on standard object also, and records on standard objects also I created, and I have given assignment in that folder. You go there and check it and do start working. Okay.